And we begin on the border. The controversial immigration enforcement law known as Senate Bill 4 or SB 4 in Texas is once again on hold. This comes hours after the Supreme Court allowed the law to go into effect, but a federal appeals court blocked it. Now the law could give police in Texas broad power to arrest people suspected of crossing the border illegally and deport them back to Mexico, even if that's not where they originally came from. The Biden administration calls it unconstitutional and a violation of federal law. The Supreme Court rejected the White House's request to put the law on hold as it's being challenged in the lower courts.
And El Paso County officials weighing in on the law's potential impact. County Judge Ricardo Samaniego speaking to ABC7 about how it will possibly increase taxes and fill up local jails, and how high-speed chases involving Texas troopers and smugglers could become more common. And he tells us he feels the law will create a bad image for El Paso.
The community needs to understand that SB 4 would be a huge impact on them. They would increase taxes, obviously, because there's no way that we could do that. The other thing that happens is when companies that are trying to come in, or tourism is trying to come into El Paso, SB 4 frightens them. You know, that we're going to be arresting, that there's going to be high-speed chases, and so our image that we've worked so hard on can be tarnished again.
And Mayor Oscar Leeser also sent out a statement yesterday afternoon before the law was once again blocked, explaining the El Paso Police Department is short-staffed, and he wrote in part, quote, "Our law enforcement responses are always priority-driven, and our #1 priority has and will continue to be public health and safety, not enforcing immigration law."
Now, local migrant advocates and Senate Bill 4 supporters are also weighing in on the law's potential impact. Some El Paso Republicans told ABC7 this bill will have positive impact in Texas, but migrant advocates say this bill will create a burden for communities like El Paso, and it will affect its residents and citizens as well.
Law enforcement's going to be overwhelmed. Our jails are going to be overwhelmed. But people, as soon as the news gets out that Texas has the right to that they now can criminalize illegal immigration and remove them from our community, that is going to get out there very, very fast.
This is an unfunded mandate. That means that now the state of Texas, they want to transform the local jails, the county jails, into deportation centers, detention and deportation centers.
And coming up in our next half hour, we talk to migrants who could be impacted if this law goes into effect. And once again, the law is on hold for now, but later today, the appeals court will hear arguments on whether it should stay on hold until they rule on its legality.
That's right. And that hearing was supposed to happen in 2 weeks, but it was actually moved up to today. Of course, you can count on ABC7 to bring you the latest on what's decided.